morning children, I am Sherin from GK Chain School. Today I am going to take 4th standard social science. The lesson name is Municipality and Corporation. India is a vast country with many towns, villages and cities. The people need some basic facilities. Municipality provide the basic facilities for the people who are living in towns and cities. Corporation. Certain municipalities is declared as corporations because of their high population and high revenue. Municipality is a form of local government in a small town which contains 50,000 to 1 lakh people. In Tamil Nadu there are 152 municipalities. These municipalities are divided into several wards. Members of the municipality. President. President is the head of this municipality is president. The assistant to the president is called as vice president. And there are some members in the municipality. These people will elected directly by the people, that is called as election. And the tenure period of these members are 5 years. So the election will be conducted for every 5 years. Duties. Duties are the work done by the members of the municipalities. They will provide street lamps for each roads in the towns or cities. They will construct libraries. They will maintain the Sandai. Sandai is called as the local market. They will construct roads, providing drinking water. They will remove the garbage dumps to make the place clean for the sanitation purpose. Source of income. The central and the state government provide money to the municipality. The people will pay tax like house tax, property tax, drinking water tax and professional tax. It will also go to the government in the form of money. Following will comes under the municipalities. Townships, example Neyveli. Cantonment Board. Cantonment Board is the military or a police quarters. For example, Kunnur. Notified Area Committee is established to take care of a town that is not yet developed. Corporations. Certain municipalities are declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporations because of their high population and high revenue. There are totally 14 corporations in Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the oldest corporation. Members of the corporation. The chairperson is called as the mayor, who is the father of the corporation. The head and the members are selected directly by the people through election. The tenure period of these members are 5 years. So, the election will be conducted for every 5 years. Source of income. The amount we pay for the professional tax, wealth tax, road tax and entertainment tax are the sources of income for the government corporation. Tax is the amount of money that we have to pay to the government for the usage of house, property, road, etc. Duties of the corporations. The work done by the members of corporations are they will construct and maintain the city roads. They will construct and maintain libraries. They will provide facilities for the drinking water. They have to dispose the garbage for the purpose of cleanliness. They have to create parks and have to maintain them. The main job of these corporation is to maintain the birth and the death records of. Now I am going to give you notes for this lesson. This tabular column will make you to learn easier. The name of the lesson is Municipality and Corporation. What is municipality? Municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people. This municipality will provide the basic facilities for the people in town. This municipality is divided into wards. Now comes to corporation. What is corporation? Certain municipalities will be declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporation. based on its high population and high revenue. Because of its high population and high revenue, some of the municipalities will be declared as the corporation by the government of Tamil Nadu. Members. President. President is the head of the municipality. Vice President is the assistant to the President. There are members. Now comes to the corporation members. The chairperson is called as a mayor, who is called as the father of corporation. Then there will be a head, which is a president, and some members. For both municipality and corporation, the members are directly elected by the people. Their tenure period is 5 years. For both municipality and corporation, the tenure period is 5 years. So, the election will be conducted for every 5 years once to elect the members of municipality as well as the corporation. Now we are going to discuss about the source of income of both municipality and corporation. The state and the central government will provide money to the municipality. People pay money in the form of house tax, professional tax, water tax will also be given to the municipality. For corporation, the tax which we pay in the form of professional tax, wealth tax and road tax will be the source of income. The number of municipalities and the number of corporations in Tamil Nadu are, there are 152 municipalities and 14 corporations. The duties, moreover, both the duties are same. Let's we compare this. They will construct the street lamps, they will construct the library, construct and maintain roads, provide a good drinking water for the people. They will provide and construct the local markets, which is called as a Sandai. They will remove garbage to make cleanliness in the place. This is the duties done by the members of the municipality. Now we are going to see about the corporation, the duties done by the members of corporation. They will construct and maintain city roads. They will construct and maintain the library, provide good drinking water for the people, disposing garbage for the need of cleanliness. They will maintain the death and the birth record of the people. Shall we compare both? They will provide library, drinking water, roads, same here, roads, library, drinking water, disposing garbage, removing garbage. Moreover, all the duties done by both the municipality and corporations are same. This tabular column will help you to get more marks. I am going to tell the name of the 14 corporations. First one, Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Tirunelveli, Velur, Tuticorin, Tirupur, Erode, Tanjore, Dindigul, Hosur, Nagarkoil. In these 4 corporations, Chennai is the oldest corporation, and at present Nagarkoil is declared as the corporation by the government of Tamil Nadu. So these are the 14 corporations of Tamil Nadu. For more such informative classes, do visit our GK Jain School website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And The admissions are going on, so grab this opportunity to get good education for your children in a good institution. Thank you.